Alright folks, gonna be smashing and scrapping this RCA 27-inch TV here from 2005. Let's check this beast out, eh? Holy shit, do not try this at home, boys and girls. Oh yeah, smash that beast up big time. Don't breathe into stuff when you do this. Everybody's telling me that and that's what I get right there, a bunch of scrap metals. I got me some copper wire to clean up, some copper TV yokes. If you want to know how to scrap them, check out the scrapping videos. Cast aluminum in this beast. Shitload of tin. Oh yeah. Scrapping up the TVs big time. Got more TVs to scrap. I'm gonna clean this shit up, scrap the rest tomorrow. Oh yeah.